Then, of course, we're going to share this with traditional media as well. We're going to create a bit of like an op-ed or different kind of articles based on this. But today, most people have access to podcasts, so it's not accessible to anyone. But they're doing a great job. They're putting all of this together, and we're going to reach out to you in the future just to see how we can collaborate. And of course, as we always ask you to engage.
It's going to be a commercial issue with the chief commercial officer we'll have. Probably we'll talk and define a strategy around it, how we can improve the right, what could be the future opportunities. So it's going to be, I think, very exciting also.
That means the existing model of image rights, name, image and likeness that all of you around this room have been working so hard to deliver to FIFPRO commercial enterprises for more than 25 years. Is re-released again and again and again at a different price point. So we have found ways to maximize that. And look at this. Thanks to the excellent work of this company, that dark blue shading is all subscription and it's shot through the roof. It reaches more people than ever before who want to spend on this game. The collective, at least the existing business model, then that will become problematic with some partners.
Thank you for all of your high value contribution to that and as a milestone for us to create a new vision that will guide us in our future together. Once again, for you, many effort and commitment. I wish you happy and healthy. Thank you so much for everyone.